The Action Democratic Party has called on the Independent National Electoral Commission to introduce electronic voting in the 2027 general elections. ADP National Chairman Yusuf Yagbagi Sani made the call at the party's National Non-elective Convention in Abuja. He said electronic voting will enable most Nigerians not to be disenfranchised. The ADP National Chairman also said the installation of a closed-cycle television cameras in all polling units across the country ahead of the 2027 general elections will significantly address issues of electoral malpractice.
Recognition by people, I'm talking about electorates now, and we also believe that the structure of the party, the executive of the party, needs to have some stability. And we took a look at our constitution, and then we made amendments to the relevant sections of the constitution to empower the ESCO to move the party forward without interference.
He, however, expressed dismay over the present hardship in the country, calling on President Bola Tinubu to urgently intervene before things get out of hand.
Majority of our party members are dedicated. They are committed to the cause of building this country to become a pride of Africa, because Nigeria, that's what Nigeria represents.
The party's National Organizing Secretary, Maiyanga, urged delegates to work for more electoral victories for the party in subsequent elections, especially for the governorship candidate in the forthcoming November 16 Ondo State gubernatorial election.
This convention is a sensitizer. That's, if you listen to many of the speeches, we are poised for 2027. And our first target is the governorship position in Ondo State.
Make sure that you go within the principles. Don't take laws into your hands, but advise everybody to have a level playing ground so that everything is done according to the dictates of the time.
The party further called for a better Nigeria. CNN News.